Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing the solution of this question. The Outdoor Furniture Corporation manufactures two products, benches and picnic tables, for use in yards and parks. The firm has two main resources, its carpenters' labor force and a supply of redwood for use in the furniture. During the next production cycle, 1,200 hours of labor are available under union agreement. So here, in this question, they mention the constants from starting from this paragraph till here. And the question says, how many benches and tables should outdoor furniture produce to obtain the largest possible profit? Use the graphical LP approach. So here, we need to use the graphical linear programming approach, and I've used using Excel, and here is my solution. So the problem formulation in the problem formulation sheet, I have used x1 and x2 variables as number of benches produced, which is for x1, and x2 is number of tables produced. Our goal is to maximize profit. So z equals to 9x1 plus 20x2. And this is our subjects to constants. So here we have the constants available here. And the answer for this question is 2862.5. And here I've used the solver as well. So this is a solver setup, the complete solver setup, and the decision variables. And this is the graphical solution. You can see here, these all are the parts, C1, C2, they all are points for the constraints. And the shaded portion here is the feasible region. And this is I have solved using Excel graphical method as discussed in the question. So here we need to make a graph, and this is the shaded portion where point A, B, and C. So this gray area becomes the feasible region, and the optimal solution is 28.62, which is lie here between B, A, B, and C in the middle of it. So this is our optimal solution where we have C1 and C2 are the points appearing here. So this is the solution, the whole solution which they have asked in the question. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me for different videos. I'm posting another videos as well. And if you need any the Excel file, and just reach me out over my email address and WhatsApp number in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.